I want to talk about an actual way to clean up grape juice after it's spilled in your carpet. A while back, my son spilled his glass of grape juice all over our living room carpet. And so he was very sorry, and those kind of things happened. But I was really disappointed when I went online and I tried to find out how to get this stuff up. There were no good videos. Everything I tried didn't work. My wife and I were going nuts. And this is an actual swatch of our carpet, by the way. And it went down into the carpet just like this one in the middle here. This is a new enough swatch, or unused swatch that probably like the Scotch Guard is keeping it on the top here. But right in the middle, you can see how it's just soaked down in there. And we could not get the stain up. The first thing we did, of course, is what I'm going to do now, which is fairly quickly. Try to get to it as quick as you can. Take some paper towels and start blotting up as best you can. Try to blot up everything you can. And when you're blotting up, you're just applying pressure. You're not smashing it down super hard. You don't want to push the grape juice into the pad. But you can see, especially right in the middle, after doing some blotting, it's still right there. And it was even more pronounced on our living room carpet because he spilled a little bit more. But after doing a bunch of blotting, nothing really worked. Okay, now after doing a bunch of blotting, I pretty much have it so it's only visible kind of just in the middle here. I mean, you can still see it right in through here where it really soaked down in. So what we did then, tried everything, didn't work. So what I did is, out of desperation, I took some dish soap and some Tide, and then I squirted both into a spray bottle, added some water, shook it up, and then what I did is I proceeded to just spray the stained area. I let it sit for 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in 5 minutes, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, now I don't know if it's been exactly 5 minutes, but it's been a while. I've let it dwell. So what I'm going to do is just hit it again. And then I just come in here and just kind of agitate and massage with my fingers. Okay? Massage, massage, agitate, agitate. Okay? And then I'm going to blot that up. It's already looking better already. And it did not come up this easy on our existing carpet, because this is kind of, still an unused piece of carpet. But it's the idea that you're going to use the Tide and the dish soap together to really break up that grape juice and just keep blotting. Just keep blotting until it finally comes up. And I think I did this, I want to say I went back and forth with this, just like I'm doing, probably 10 times, agitating, spraying. You don't want to soak the area so much that you soak the pad underneath, so don't go crazy. But you're just going to agitate, and you're just going to let the detergent in the Tide really break up that grape juice so you can blot it up. And this was very effective to me for us. Basically, you can't tell that there was ever a stain there. So yeah, just wanted to share this with you. We had a great result with it, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys on my normal topic of how to make your cars last 25 years in the next video. Take care.